So today I'm going to be making a video on basic notation for the Rubik's Cube. So I'm going to start by telling you 6 letters that you're going to need to know. And those letters are, R, U, L, D, F, B. And each one of those letters stands for a side. So R would be right, U, up, D, down, L, left, B, back, F, front. And you're also going to need to know if there's an apostrophe or other things like that. So there can be like an apostrophe, a lowercase letter, and like a 2. So if there's an apostrophe, it means the opposite way. So if it's R, it's going to be like this, but if it's R prime, that's what the apostrophe is, it's prime, you go R the opposite way. And how you know R is up is because everything is clockwise. So R this, because clockwise goes this way. L down, D prime, B, U, and F. Now if there's a 2, you do that move twice, so R2 or L2. And if it's just lowercase, then you do that move with like an extra layer. So F or R would be like that. L, F, B, and so on. And then that's pretty much it. There's also advanced notation, which is like Y prime, X prime, X. But that's for another day. See you guys.